Hello everyone and welcome to Stream and Tech. Now I've got something just a little bit different that I wanted you all to be aware of. Evidently there is a brand new bank scam that's going on that is draining thousands of dollars from people's accounts, and I wanted you guys to take a quick look at this video that will show you what is going on, and then I'll circle back to you right after that with a couple tips that will help prevent this from happening to you.
A frightening bank scam now let thieves get right into your checking account. All they need is your phone number and access to a popular money transfer app. And as one man learned, they can con their way into getting thousands of dollars from you. Damon Lander runs a university biology lab. He's not the type of person who would fall for a phone scam. Till now.
I got a phone call from who I thought was Fifth Third Bank.
With the caller ID showing his bank's number, the caller explained he was with the bank's fraud department.
And they had detected suspicious activity and that they were going to help me take care of that and set up security measures and take care of the fraudulent charge.
So Damon did what the phone rep instructed, such as entering a verification code on his login page. But within minutes, Damon says,
and at 8:12, my PIN was changed.
He started getting alerts from the bank.
They changed my username, my password, changed my card PIN, set up a Zelle account.
Damon's new Zelle account sent $1,000 to a disposable cell phone number. What's scary is that this scam doesn't require a thief to gain access to your ATM card or maybe a blank check that he found somewhere. No, all it takes is a text or a call, and they can get into your account. Even if you've never heard of Damon's Bank, reports say this scam is targeting customers of other banks that use Zelle, including Bank of America and Chase.
Welcome to our 24-hour security department.
This past spring, I spoke with Sarah Robb, who got the same scam call about fraud in her bank account.
Said all the right things. She got my information from me.
To protect yourself, never give your banking info to a caller, even if it appears your bank is on the phone calling about fraud. These days, you can no longer trust that a call from your bank is really from your bank, so hang up and call back their real customer service lines. You don't waste your money.
Alright guys, well I did not realize how prevalent this actually was, and I just got done speaking to my neighbor, and this same exact thing just happened to him last week. So I mean, when it starts hitting close to home, you definitely want to be a little bit more concerned, and the red flags definitely go up. But here's what you guys can do to protect yourself. The biggest tip is if your bank uses Zelle, and some of the largest banks do, for example Bank of America, Chase, they all have this service. Either set it up yourself or turn the feature off. You do not want a Zelle account to be set up by somebody else. The other few things that you can do is never give your banking information to a caller, even if the caller ID shows that it's your bank calling. Just hang up and call back the bank customer service or fraud department yourself. Don't take any chances. If it's really your bank, they will actually have your account and login information, so don't give it to them over the phone. And also never give any sort of verification code, because that is actually the car key to your account. That's how they actually enter your account. So guys, just a few tips there. I hope you found this information helpful. If so, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.